Please.
We demand.
Please.
We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand.
To your seats. माननीय सदस्यों से मेरा आग्रह है कि अपनी सीट पर जाएं, बैठें। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। यह अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। प्लीज, यह अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। यह सबके कंसर्न का विषय है। पूरा देश जानना चाहता है कोविड के क्या हालात हैं, किस तरह से इन्हें निपटने की चुनौतियां हैं। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। इस तरह से प्ले कार्ड लेकर के नारे लगाना और महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर बहस न होने देना, यह लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया नहीं है। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। मेरा आग्रह होगा कि कृपया अपनी सीट पर जाएं। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। कोई बात आपकी रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। आपकी कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। आपकी कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। 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 भाई माननीय एलओपी बोलना चाहते हैं, उनको आप बोलने दीजिए। आप जाइए बाहर। माननीय एलओपी को बोलने दीजिए।
मुझे कहना मेरे सामने ऐसा कर। यू ब्रिंग द
एलओपी को आप बोलने दे।
हाउस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर।
माननीय अन्य सदस्य भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, उन्हें बोलने दीजिए।
आई एम रेडी टू स्पीक।
डॉक्टर विनय पी सहस्त्रबुद्धे। डॉक्टर विनय पी सहस्त्रबुद्धे। डॉक्टर विनय पी सहस्त्रबुद्धे। डॉक्टर अनिल जैन। डॉक्टर अनिल जैन। श्री स्वपन दास गुप्ता। प्लीज।
May I take off my mask? Okay. So, if at the cost of over this din, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak on this rather important subject, which I think has concerned not only India but the whole world. I think I would be fair in saying that when we met at the very initial point of the pandemic, there were a lot of us who believed that this would be a short-lived experience. We thought that perhaps even if 2020 was ruined, we would see a better 2021. But I think it's now very clear that not only are we talking about the second wave क्या बोलना चाहिए क्या नहीं? We are not only talking about the second wave, we are also anticipating a third wave. It may be worth pertinent if we were to go back to history, we'd find that the Spanish flu epidemic which took place at the end of World War I led to about 50 million deaths, and of which most of it was contributed by the second wave. Now I think so I think it's quite clear now that what we are facing is a long-drawn struggle. We are facing something akin to a prolonged war. And this prolonged war is something which is not only something, which is not something which affects
This is completely.
only India.
Please go
but
back
it's
to your
something
seats.
which affects
Please
every
go back to
country.
your seats, Mr. Vijay Sai Reddy. This is not the proper behavior. You are a seasoned and senior member. This is not proper behavior.
I think I may be right in
This
saying
is completely
if I was to start
unparliamentary
by saying
behavior.
how do we deal with such a pandemic? And I think the answers are not necessarily easy. It's not necessarily easy. If I may start by saying, sir, if I may quote a line, sir, it is rather difficult and distracting to talk over this. I think all the same I'll try. I think a lot of us may be aware, or at least those, my friend Mr. O'Brien there might be aware of the passage I might be reading, because the author of that passage is someone who the state government of West Bengal appointed in the Global Advisory Board to contain the pandemic. And I quote, "The goal of social policy in these times of change and anxiety is to help people absorb the shocks that affect them without allowing those shocks to affect their view of themselves." In other words, how do we cope with the crisis without destroying the very esteem of people who've been affected by the crisis? This is a quote from the Nobel Prize winning